What if our world holds more secrets than we could ever imagine? Secrets hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Welcome to the realm of the unseen, a place where reality is not always what it seems. In the vastness of our planet, there are countless corners yet to be explored, countless tales yet to be told. And sometimes, it's not the human eye that uncovers these secrets, but the unblinking lens of a drone, soaring high and free. In the age of technology, drones have become our eyes in the sky, capturing what was once beyond our reach. They venture into the unknown, revealing a world that's been there all along, yet remained hidden, veiled by our limited perspective. Today, we delve into a mystery, a puzzle that has been captured by a drone. This isn't just a flight, it's an exploration, a quest for knowledge. But what exactly this mystery is, we'll keep that under wraps for now. After all, the thrill of a secret lies in its suspense. Imagine for a moment the drone's journey. It takes off, its rotors humming in the quiet air. It climbs higher and higher until the world below becomes a patchwork of colors and shapes. Every second it records, it observes, and it uncovers. It's an unvoiced explorer in an expansive world, a silent witness to the unseen. As we embark on this journey, we're not just spectators, we're explorers, detectives even, piecing together a story that's been silently unfolding right under our noses. This tale has no script, no predetermined path. It's a narrative written by the winds, the drone, and the mystery that lies ahead. So prepare yourselves. Buckle in and let your curiosity take the reins. This isn't just about sightseeing from a bird's eye view, it's about discovery, about venturing into the unknown, about unearthing secrets that have laid dormant, unseen. As we take flight, brace yourself for a journey into the unseen. As the drone ascends, reality as we know it starts to unravel. Rising higher and higher, the drone begins to break free from the constraints of the earthly perspective, entering a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. This is the drone's maiden flight, a journey into the unknown where every moment uncovers a new layer of mystery. Imagine this, a machine not bound by the physical limitations of mankind, exploring the world from a vantage point we can only dream of. It's as if the drone is a silent observer, a silent witness to the unseen, the unexplored. The drone's first flight is not just a leap into the air, but a plunge into the heart of enigma. As the drone soars, it begins to notice oddities, anomalies that don't quite fit into our understanding of the world. These peculiarities remain abstract, elusive, stirring curiosity and intrigue. And then, something caught the drone's attention. Suddenly, the drone's focus shifts to a sight that challenges our understanding. A sight so peculiar, so out of place that it disrupts the rhythm of the world as we know it. The drone, our silent observer, now becomes a witness to the unusual, the inexplicable, the downright bizarre. Imagine, if you will, a canvas of the ordinary. A landscape that's familiar, mundane even, and then there it is, an anomaly, a glitch in the matrix, an aberration that stands out like a diamond in coal, a rose in a desert. But what could it be? A structure, a creature, a phenomenon? We're left guessing, as the details remain tantalizingly out of reach. The drone, like a curious child, hovers over the site, trying to make sense of it. It circles, it zooms, it probes, but the enigma persists. It's as if the site is defying the drone, challenging it, teasing it, and us, by extension. The tension is palpable. The suspense is mounting, and the sense of intrigue is thick enough to cut with a knife. Every little detail, every small movement, every shadow, and every light all seem to be part of a puzzle, a cryptic riddle waiting to be solved. Yet the answer remains elusive, hidden behind a veil of mystery. The site, it seems, has a secret, a story to tell, and it's not ready to reveal it just yet. In the midst of the ordinary, the drone has stumbled upon the extraordinary. In the realm of the known, it has encountered the unknown. In the world of the seen, it has found the unseen. And in the heart of reality, it has discovered a fragment of the surreal. But that was just the beginning. The drone, and by extension we, are yet to fully comprehend the depth of this unusual sight. But one thing is clear. The journey has only just begun, and there's more to this story than meets the eye. Venturing further, the drone stumbles upon an unfamiliar terrain. Like a curious explorer charting an uncharted territory, it finds itself in a world that seems to defy the rules of the known universe. This isn't just another forest or a desolate desert. No, it's something far more peculiar, something that stirs curiosity and raises questions. The drone navigates through this perplexing landscape, capturing images that seem almost surreal. It's as if it has stepped through a doorway into a realm that exists outside the boundaries of our understanding. Every frame captured by the drone's lens reveals more about this strange world, yet each revelation only deepens the mystery. Is this a natural phenomenon, untouched by human hands? Or is there a more complex explanation waiting to be unearthed? The drone's journey across the terrain is akin to an unfolding saga, a narrative that is as intriguing as it is baffling. As the drone hovers over this alien terrain, it exposes a labyrinth of unusual formations and structures. They're not random. They seem to follow a pattern, a design that is too complex to be a mere coincidence. It's like a tantalizing puzzle that's waiting to be solved, a riddle whispered by the wind that rustles through this unfamiliar territory. Yet, there's an eerie tranquility that pervades this terrain. It's a silence that's almost deafening, a quietude that's as mystifying as the landscape itself. It's as if the terrain is holding its breath, guarding its secrets zealously, daring the drone to delve deeper, to unravel the enigma that it embodies. The drone, undeterred by the daunting task ahead, continues its exploration. It's a silent observer, a non-intrusive explorer, a chronicler of the extraordinary. It's not there to disturb or disrupt. It's there to document, to bear witness to the incredible spectacle that unfolds before its lens. As the drone traverses this unfamiliar terrain, every second, every frame, every pixel it captures adds another piece to this jigsaw of intrigue and mystery. The drone, like a relentless detective, leaves no stone unturned, no corner unexplored. Yet the drone pressed on, deeper into the unknown. In the heart of the unknown, the drone made a discovery that defies belief. Enveloped in the mystery of the unfamiliar, our drone, our eyes in the sky, stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. A discovery that sent ripples of disbelief echoing through our minds. Deep within the heart of the unknown, the drone bore witness to a spectacle that, until now, had remained concealed from the world. What it unveiled was not merely unexpected, but something that challenged our very perception of reality. There it was, lying in the midst of the wilderness like an enigma, waiting to be deciphered. The drone, our silent observer, captured something that was never meant to be seen. Something that was meant to remain shrouded in the shadows of the unknown. The drone, our mechanical explorer, had unearthed a secret so profound, so staggering that it left us grappling for answers, as if the drone had opened a door to a different realm, a realm that we were not supposed to peer into, a realm that was meant to stay hidden from our prying eyes. This unexpected discovery, this enigma that our drone stumbled upon, was not just a testament to the unexplored mysteries of our world, but also a stark reminder of how little we truly know. It was a discovery that challenged our understanding, that made us question, that made us wonder. It was a discovery that unraveled a story that was waiting to be told, a story that was waiting to be heard. As the drone hovered above this unexpected spectacle, it captured images that were as baffling as they were intriguing. Images that held clues that could potentially unlock the mystery that lay before us. But as we delved deeper, as we tried to piece together the puzzle, we found ourselves plunged further into the abyss of the unknown. The drone, our silent sentinel, had unearthed a mystery that was both captivating and confounding, a mystery that was both revealing and concealing, a mystery that left us with more questions than answers. But what could it mean? Questions raced through our minds, each more puzzling than the last. Who or what could have created these unfamiliar scenes, captured by our unassuming drone? Was there an unseen hand at work, shaping the terrain into these unusual patterns? Or was it simply the work of natural forces, creating beauty and chaos beyond our understanding? The footage was like a cryptic puzzle, each frame a piece that didn't quite fit with the others, leaving us with an incomplete picture. The images spurred a whirlwind of speculation, each theory more intriguing than the one before. Yet, the answers remained elusive, hidden somewhere in the shadows of the unknown. As we delved deeper into the mystery, it felt as though we were venturing further into a maze where each turn led us down a path strewn with more questions. With every discovery, our curiosity was piqued, but our understanding remained clouded. The mystery deepens. As we return to the unseen, the pieces of the puzzle start to come together. From the start, we've been journeying alongside our little aerial explorer, our drone, as it has whisked us over unfamiliar terrains and into the heart of the unseen. The drone's journey has been our journey, a shared exploration into mysteries that lie hidden beneath the cloak of the everyday. Now, we circle back to where it all began, to the unseen sight that first piqued our curiosity. Only this time we come armed with new insights, fresh perspectives gleaned from the drone's expedition. The unseen is no longer a mere abstract concept, but a tangible reality that has been touched by the drone's lens. The unseen has become seen. As we revisit the initial sight, the drone's journey begins to take on new meaning. What once seemed inconsequential now holds significance. The drone's path, its twists and turns, its ascents and descents all begin to form a pattern. The drone's seemingly random flight path now appears to be a carefully orchestrated dance choreographed by the unseen. The drone's journey, much like a detective novel, is a series of clues that lead us deeper into the mystery. Each flight, each unusual sight, each unexpected discovery, they all add up, contributing to a larger narrative that is slowly, painstakingly being woven together. The unseen is not just a place or a thing, but a story that is unfolding right before our eyes. Yet, as we delve deeper into the unseen, we find that each answer only serves to raise more questions. The unseen remains elusive, always a step ahead, always beckoning us further into its depths. The drone's journey is far from over, and the unseen continues to be a tantalizing enigma, a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. In revisiting the unseen, we find that we are not merely observers, but active participants in the drone's journey. We are co-conspirators in the quest to unravel the unseen, partners in the pursuit of truth. Yet the truth remains tantalizingly out of reach, always shimmering just beyond the horizon. Or do they? On its final flight, the drone captured something that left us speechless. As the drone embarked on its last journey, the atmosphere was thick with anticipation. The drone, now an extension of our collective curiosity, was about to delve into the unknown one final time. The drone ascended, rising higher and higher into the clear blue sky. It was as if time stood still, as the drone ventured towards the unknown. The scenery below became a tapestry of color and form, a testament to the world's enduring mystery and beauty. Each passing second brought us closer to the revelation we'd been yearning for. What could the drone's vigilant eye possibly uncover on this last voyage? Would it be an unexpected landform, shrouded by nature's hand and untouched by the human footprint? Or perhaps a forgotten relic of a bygone era, whispering tales of a time we could only dream of? The possibilities were as endless as the horizon that stretched out before the drone. As the drone journeyed onward, the suspense grew, palpable and thick as a summer's night. The drone, an unassuming hero of our tale, pressed on, undeterred by the distance or the looming uncertainty. Then the moment of truth arrived. The drone hovering over a sight that was as mesmerizing as it was unexpected. A sight that defied our understanding, challenging our perception of what we thought we knew. It was a sight that held us captive, a spectacle that beckoned us to lean in closer, to peer into the heart of the unknown. The drone had done more than just capture a sight. It had captured a moment in time, a secret hidden in plain sight. A secret that, until now, had been reserved for the eyes of the world's most daring explorers, the most curious minds, the seekers of truth. And there it was, the secret that no one was supposed to see. A secret that, like a whisper in the wind, would echo in our minds, stirring our curiosity and fueling our thirst for knowledge. A secret that, once seen, could never be unseen. With the drone's mission complete, we were left with an unresolved mystery. In the grand tapestry of human curiosity, there's a unique allure to the enigmatic, a raw magnetism in the face of the unknown that keeps us perpetually intrigued. And so, we find ourselves at the threshold of uncertainty, the drone's footage unfolding a narrative that defies our instinctive longing for answers. As we traverse the intricate web of this enigma, it's essential to remember that every mystery is a mirror, reflecting our perceptions, our fears, our hopes. What we see in this drone footage is not just an unresolved mystery, it's a canvas for our interpretations, a testament to our collective imagination. But what exactly did the drone capture? A bizarre spectacle, an inexplicable phenomenon, or perhaps an uncanny revelation? The answers remain elusive, shrouded in the mist of uncertainty. The drone's journey, akin to an epic odyssey through the labyrinth of the unknown, leaves us with more questions than answers. Yet isn't that the true essence of a mystery? The thrill is not in the resolution, but in the journey of seeking, in the exhilarating pursuit of the elusive truth. Each clue uncovered, every theory proposed, and all conjectures made serve to fuel the fire of our curiosity, intensifying the allure of the puzzle. The drone has completed its mission, and yet the mystery persists. But it's the enigma itself that binds us, that keeps us on the edge of our seats, our minds racing with possibilities. The beauty of this unresolved mystery is its ability to spark our imagination, to push us to question, to wonder, to seek. Let us not rush towards a hurried conclusion, towards an imposed understanding. Instead, let's revel in the ambiguity, in the thrill of the enigma. After all, every mystery is a journey, an adventure that beckons us, challenges us, and ultimately enriches us. In the end, we realize that some secrets are best left unseen. Some mysteries, perhaps, are best left unresolved, stirring our imagination, forever keeping our curiosity alive.